Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Silky for you. And Silky really loves when you all clap for him. He feels really happy. So here we have the adorable Silky with us. And now it's time for us to meet our next high energetic friend, Tarsus. And I'm sure just like Silky, you want to know a little more about Tarsus as well. Could we have the audio visual, please? And that's what they understand. The more you clap, the more they're going to feel happy. I'm sure each one of us are excited to see what they have for us. Let's quickly start off from Silky. Let's see what he has to show. So here Silky is. I request everyone to keep the claps on for Silky. That's such an adorable performance. Thank you so much, Silky. That was indeed a very, very interesting performance. And now Silky says a bye to everyone. He says he's very happy meeting you all. And now it's time for Silky to rest. So Silky goes away to take some rest. And now we have Tarsus with us. Tarsus, we are equally excited to see you performing as well. And just like Silky, each one of them right here are going to clap for you as well. So here we present Tarsus. Wow, Tarsus seems to be in super high energy. He's like, I'm very happy, people are clapping for me. I'm very excited to be right here in Chennai. Wow, thank you so much, Tarsus. Wonderful. I think I'm totally enjoying this performance. Are you all enjoying? Do you want to see this again? I want to see it once more. Do you all want to see again? I think just for you, we are going to have this again. Tarsus, please perform for us once again. And I assure you, we all are going to clap for you really loud. Tarsus says, no, they are not clapping for me. I'm going to run away. Tarsus, I promise we all are going to clap for you this time. Really nice. So here we go again. Tarsus says, yes, I'm ready. I need some more claps. And here I complete my task. Thank you so much, Tarsus, for such a fantabulous act. I mean, it would be really incomplete if we do not thank Commando Kennels for their outstanding training. Can we have a big round of applause for them? This lovely morning, we have the grand launch of Yuganuba. I'm sure each one of you are excited, aren't you? Yeah. Everybody's excited, right? So on that note, ladies and gentlemen, as we move forward, I take the honor to welcome Mr. Gokul Krishnan, Regional Sales Manager, South Region, to please come forward and address the gathering. Could we welcome the gentleman with a big round of applause? Just for you, presenting Zeus. Can we hear a big round of applause? Yuganuba is a world-renowned brand known for extraordinary nutrition for pets. A brand acquired by Mars Pet Care, Yuganuba has carved a name for itself as premium, high-quality pets, big or small, young or old. Could we have the AV please? And I take the honor to welcome Mr. Ganesh Ramani, Demand Director from Mars Pet Care, to please come forward. Could we hear a round of applause for the gentleman? Yuganuba Pet Food, and I'm pretty sure that he's going to be super quick, because he's agile and his energy levels are super high. And most importantly, Straws loves what he does. And just be presenting Straws. Could we hear a round of applause? Wow, that was a fantabulous jump, isn't it? Did you all love that jump? No response. What's happened? I thought the energy levels are really high today. Did you all enjoy? How about having it one more time? Yes? Just for you, once again presenting Straws. Wow, thank you so much, Straws. That indeed was a fantabulous jump and we all enjoyed watching you. Coming forward is Casper. Casper is always alert. He's always on the lookout for anything that's out of his place in his area. Why to know him better? And to see what he does, we must definitely have a look at the AV right here. Out on the street, you might not be prepared for everything that comes your way. This includes everything, starting from rashly driven vehicles or even rashly walking pedestrians, or sometimes even worse than this. But when you have your favorite pet by your side, then you should see how he's going to protect you. Do you all want to witness that? Yes? Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, here we present to you Casper. And as the saying goes, nothing is more than loyalty, and you can see loyalty right here. Can we have a big round of applause? Hello sir, unga பேர் என்ன? Narasimhan sir. Narasimhan sir, how did you enjoy the act? Did you like it? Very well. Which act did you like? Casper act. Sir, any experience that you would like to share with us? No such experience. But what do you have to say about pets? Very nice pets, sir, and you really love them. That's really nice, sir. We're going to have a fantabulous goodie for you. Could we have a goodie for sir? Thank you so much, sir, for being right here. Can we clap? Clapping is free, of course. We all can clap. We don't charge you. Moving forward, I think I should be talking to the beautiful lady right here. Hello, ma'am. What's your name?
I'm Vaishnavi.
Vaishnavi, which act did you love the most?
Yeah, both.
Both the acts. Which is your favorite one?
Second one
And why?
is
Very emotional. Too much of loyalty from the pets. Any such experience in your life which you would like to share with us? But you love pets. Eukanuba small breed formula. Eukanuba has prebiotic FOS to promote nutrient absorption, sugar beet pulp that enables proper functioning of the digestive tract, and the right carbohydrates which helps maintain healthy activity levels in your small furry pets.